friends, today let's see an important question in chapter 1 real numbers. The question is, show that cube of any positive integer is of the form 4m, 4m plus 1 or 4m plus 3 for some integer m. So first, for this type of questions, I'll just give you some steps to solve it. The first step is, write the definition of Euclid's division lemma. After writing this definition, just find the value of b. So we can find the value of b from the question. Once we get the value of b, we can just find the range of r, that is remainder. After finding this, we can just substitute b and r in this relation. A is equal to b cube plus r. So we can get positive integer values. So after we getting these integer values, we can apply the condition that is mentioned in the question. So these are the steps. Now let us proceed. Here I have already written the statement of Euclid's division lemma, as this statement carries some mark. In this case, b is equal to, see here in the question, positive integer is of the form 4m, 4m plus 1 or 4m plus 3. So the value of b is equal to 4. And here r is greater than or equal to 0 and less than b. So the r will be from 0 to less than 4, that is 0 to 3. So 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now we got the values of b and r. Here we written the Euclid's division lemma statement. After that, we found the value of b and r. The next thing is possible integer values. For that, we have to apply or substitute this b and r in this relation. So see here, the possible integers can be of the form first b is 4, so 4q, the first r value is 0, so 4q plus 1. I am writing according to the r values, 4q plus 2 and 4q plus 3. So now we have got these possible positive integer values. After that, we have to apply the condition. I already said the condition will be mentioned in the question. So see here, in the question they asked for cube of any positive integers. So still now we have just a positive integer values. So now we have to apply cube for each integer values. So see here, apply cube for each integer. So here, case 1. The first integer value is 4q. First cube this 4q the old cube. Here we get 64q. Now see the question. See here, 4m plus 1, 4m plus 3. It is in the form 4m, that is multiples of 4. So here we have to take 4 as common. See, I am taking 4 as common. So 16 QQ. Now see here, this is in the multiple of 4. So we can write this as 4m. That is multiples of 4. Now in case 2. Case 2. The second integer value is 4 cube plus 1. So now cube this. 4 cube plus 1 the whole cube. Here I will be applying 4 cube plus 1 the whole cube. Here a plus b the whole cube formula. So here a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Just apply this identity here. So a is 4 cube and b is 1. Here first is a cube, 4 cube the whole cube plus 3 into a square, that is 4 cube the whole square into 1 plus 3 into 4 cube into 1 square plus 1 cube. So just solve this. 4 cube the whole cube is 64 cube plus, now see here, this first solve this 4 cube the whole square. So 4 cube the whole square is 16 q square. After 16 into 3 is 48. 48 q square plus, here first 1 square is 1. So 1 into 4 into 3 which is 12. 12 cube plus 1. Now take common. As we did in this first step, we have taken 4 as common. So from these 3 terms we have to take 4 as common. So I am taking 4 as common. Here it is 16 q cube plus, from 48 it is 12 q square plus 3 cube plus 1. Now see here, it is in the multiples of 4. So I can write this term as 4m plus 1. Okay. So now case 3. See here, the third value is 4 cube plus 2. So 4 cube plus 2. Cube this. Here I am applying this identity. So 4 cube the whole cube plus 3 into 4 cube the whole square into 2 plus 3 into 4 cube into 2 square plus 2 the whole cube. Here 4 cube the whole cube is 64 q cube plus here 16 square into 6. So it is 96 q square plus first 2 square is 4. 4 into 4 into 3. So that is 48 q plus 2 cube is 8. Now take common from all these 4 terms. So I am taking 4 as common. We get 16 q cube plus 24 q square plus 12 q plus 2. Here it is in the form 4m. See, this is the multiples of 4 and I am writing this as 4m. So now we can go into case 4. Here case 4. Case 4 is the fourth, that is the last integer is 4 cube plus 3. So 4 cube plus 3, and just cubing this. 4 cube plus 3 the whole cube is equal to 4 cube the whole cube plus 3 into 4 cube the whole square into 3 plus 3 into 4 cube into 3 square plus 3 cube. Yeah, 4 cube the whole cube is 64 cube plus 4 cube the whole square 16 square into 9, that is 144 q square, plus your 3 square is 9 into 4 into 3, that is 108 q plus 3 cube is 27. Here, see here, I can split this 27 into 24 and 3. I am writing that is equal to 64 cube plus 144 q square plus 108 q plus 24 plus 3. Now take common from these terms. I am taking 4 as common, so we get 16 cube plus 36 q square plus 27 q plus 6 and plus 3. Here we will be getting, since this is a multiple of 4, so we get 4m plus 3. Now see here, in the first case we got 4m, and in the second case 4m plus 1, in the third one 4m, and in the last case 4m plus 3. So now we can compare with the question that show that cube of any positive integer is of the form 4m, 4m plus 1 or 4m plus 3 for some integer m. So see here, we got 4m, 4m plus 1 and 4m plus 3. So now we got all these forms. So now we can conclude this question. Therefore, cube of any positive integer is of the form 4m, 4m plus 1 or 4m plus 3. So, that's all. If you like this video, like it, share it and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries, you can post in the comment box. Thanks for watching.